Good evening, all.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Now it's your time,
Good evening.
Jovial. What happened? Good evening. So, what about instead of taking the class, if I give you one paper, if there is a drawing in that, what you will do?
We will color.
Definitely, we will color. And one more situation is that whenever you get bored with a subject, what you do? If you have a pencil or if you have a pen, you will draw, isn't it? You will shade, isn't it?
Like this, ma'am. We will
Yes.
like this.
So, so today we are going to learn a topic related to this. What if you want to color our document, if you want to provide apply shading, or if you want to apply border? And one more thing, let me ask you one more thing. What is border? When you write an assignment, you used to draw a border, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you all are familiar with the term border, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
We used to draw, girls used to draw flowers. Probably, isn't it? Most probably they used to draw flowers, right? So today in this chapter, we are going, boys, they will draw Mickey Mouse. Yes? Or Spider-Man, Superman in the border. Will you draw that? Draw that?
Yes.
So today we are going to learn about shading and border. Are you ready? So today we are going to start a new chapter. All of you please take your book and write down the chapter's name, chapter 6, borders and shading. So note down the.
No, we didn't complete bullets and numbers.
We have completed. We have learned how we can apply bullets and numbering. That is all about our chapter. So today we are going to start chapter 6, borders and shading. So in this chapter, we are going to learn how we can apply border and how we can apply shading. So first I will be doing the practical. Before that, I will explain you. So while creating a document, we may need to color the background of a certain text or paragraphs. So this shading tool help us to do this. So now we are going to learn about this. So first we are going to learn about shading. Okay. In the paragraph group, you can see this option shading, from where you can choose the color that you want. So the first thing that you have to do is that first you have to select the text or paragraph that you want to, in which you have to change the background color. Okay, so here you can see the paragraph group. First you have to go to the paragraph group. There you can see the option shading, from where you can select the color. If you want more color, you can choose this option, more color option. Okay, so when you click that, you will get more color. So shall I do the practical? First I will do it. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Second.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, I will say who should do it second and third.
show.
So first I am going to do it. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. First you have to take word. So yeah, I hope you can see the screen, right? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now we are going to see how. So first we have to select the text. First I'm going to select the text. So first for that I'm going to select the heading. Yeah. Okay. See in the paragraph group, you can see this option shading. Okay. When you click that arrow, you will get color. See the background? Yellow, orange, red. Oh my God. See? Okay. If I want to change the shading of this, first I have to select the text. When I choose this option, you can go through different colors. So I'm now choosing green color. Oh my God. You can also place the cursor in the middle of the text in a paragraph. Then you can go with this option. So if you want more color, we will go with this option. There you can see standard. Which color do you want? Muhammad Insan, which color do you want?
Orange.
Which one? Orange. Which one? Orange. Okay. This one or this one?
Yes.
This one? This one? This is not orange, right? This one. Okay, right? After that, I will click OK. See? Oh my God. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Dave, tell me which color do you want for the next paragraph?
Ma'am, blue.
Blue. Okay. Yeah. Which one? This one? Which color blue do you want? This one or this one? This one? See the change? Or this one? Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh my God. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful, my dears?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. It looks like rainbow. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, can we change the full of the
Yes.
word color?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Change. Okay. So now we are going to, I hope this concept is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Shall
Ma'am,
we
can
move
we
to the
do
next
it
topic?
in the
Yes.
mobile?
Yes, I will show you how to do.
Can I,
Okay.
Muhammad Hassan?
Wait. First, I will teach you. First, I will show you. After that, I will give you the chance.
show one thing. Ma'am, after this appendix.
Okay, I know that you all are eagerly waiting. Okay, first let me cover the topic. After that, I will make you do each and every one. Okay, so those who are using phone, it will be little bit different, but I will help you how to do that. So now we are going to learn about next topic, that is border. So you have shown me what is border, isn't it? So now we are going to learn about how we can apply border to the specified paragraph or text, or how we can apply page border. So borders, what is the use of this border? It will add color and attractiveness to our document. That is why we are drawing borders in our document, right? So this option is available in home tab. In home tab, this option is in paragraph group. See, near to that shading option, okay? There are different types of border. If you want more border, you can go with this option, borders and shading. Okay, when you click that, you can see like this one. Okay, so if you want to apply any border to a paragraph or text, you can choose any option from this. You can choose the style that you want, and you can also choose the color of that border. At last, you have to click OK. And if you want to apply a border to a page, you have to choose this option. Okay, when you choose this option, you can see different options. You can choose the style that you want, and you can choose art option also. Okay, at last you have to click OK. Now let me show you the practical. Ready? Yes? If yes, show me thumbs up. Okay, so I'm going to show the practical of this. So I'm going to apply border for each paragraph. So I will show you how. Okay, so first what I have to do is that I have to select the text. First I have to select the text. So first, first I have selected the text. Here you can see this option. There are different types of borders. I'm going with this option, borders and shading. Okay, here I'm going with box. Okay, if I want, I can change the style I want. Then if I want, I can change the color. Okay, I'm going with green, then click OK. See, oh my God. Now if I want to apply the border to this, what I have to do, select the text. Okay, this is the option for the borders. Okay, click this arrow, then go with this. Okay, 3D, then I go with this, choose this option. Okay, if I want, I can change the color, then click OK. See, isn't it interesting? Isn't it interesting?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to show the practical?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
DL?
Wait. Yes, Adish, share the screen.
Ma'am, you disable
No. Now you can share the screen. Okay, share the screen. Ishan, Meha, Neha, Fida, all of you, please take your device and do it. Try the practical, okay? Yes, Adish, share the screen, yeah. What happened? Yeah, he's sharing the screen. Okay, he's doing in phone. In phone, it will be entirely different, but I will guide you how to do that. Take word. Okay, take a document. Blank. Okay. In this, the options is entirely different. So Adish, first you type your name. And I hope you know how to select it, isn't it? Then select the text. Select what you have typed. Select what you have typed, which means that long press it. Yes, long press it. Yes, long. No. First place the cursor. Now press your hand. Others, please be quiet. Now press it and drag it till, and very good. Now come down. Yes, go up. Down you can, no, not that. Down, come to the down option. There, down you can, no. Go up. Yes, there you can see, I think you have chosen home. There was a highlighter option. There you can see an option highlighter. No. Press that arrow near to that highlighter. Others, please be quiet. An arrow near the highlighter. Yes, choose a color. Choose a color.
Am I clear?
Yes. Okay. Is that clear? Those who are using phone, is that clear? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, Adish,
Yes.
thank you for sharing the screen and clap for him. I want each and everyone to come forward. Okay, don't get afraid. Yes,
Excuse
thank
me,
you, Adish.
ma'am.
You can stop sharing the screen. Yes, shall we move to the next topic? Wait. After finishing this, I will call each and everyone. Okay. So next, we are going to learn about borders. What if I want to apply page border? Okay. For this, you can see this option. So first, I will show the practical. Ready for the practical?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to learn how we can apply page border. Listen to this, okay? Look at the screen properly and listen to me properly. So where is the option? Here in the paragraph group, you can see this option. When you click that option, when you click this arrow, there you can see this shading an option. See, at the top you have to click page border. Okay, I'm going with shadow. If I want arts, see, I'm going to choose apple. See the change. Oh. Wow, right? Yes? Isn't it beautiful?
Apple border.
Yes, apple border. Other than that, I can also apply different
Ma'am, where
styles.
is art? Ma'am, where is
Wait.
art?
See, in the board, you can see different border. If I want, I can change the color of the border. For that, I have to choose
Can
this.
you go with some different type?
Yes, different type. See, I'm going with this. I'm going to change the
art.
color. Okay. Now, see.
Some arts.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes,
Arts.
I want cake. I want cake. So I'm going to choose art related to that. First, I have to choose page border. Here you can see different arts. Okay, cake. I want this cake. Isn't it good?
Very good.
So
Looks so
listen to me.
yummy.
Yes, it's looks so yummy. So this is all about a chapter. So
Mama.
in this chapter, listen to me. Okay, so this is all about chapter. In this chapter, this is a small chapter. In this chapter, we have learned how to shade, isn't it? Change the background color of the text. Next, we have learned how to apply borders and how to change the page border, right? Clear? Now,
Yes.
are you ready for the practical? You, not me. Are you ready for the practical?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I will be calling you randomly. Ready?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So starting from Kalbi. Share the screen. All will get the
Excuse me,
chance.
ma'am.
All will get the chance. And I request each and everyone to mute your mic unless you get the chance.
Ma'am,
So let
I have
Kalbi-
something to ask you.
Yeah, after this, I will give you time. Okay. Now please be quiet. Yes, Kalbi, type your name. First, you have to type your name. Type your name. Okay, now select that text. If I want to change, okay, if I want to change the color, background of that text. Yes, the other one, not the one. No, not that. The paragraph group. No. Yes, that one. Click that arrow, choose a color. Click that arrow once again. I think it is slow. Okay. What if I want to apply page background? Sorry, page border. Page border. For that, go to the same option. Yes, go to the borders option. Down you can see borders and shading. Click on that. Actually, we are not able to see anything. I think it is coming slow. There at the top, see page border option is there. Go up. Choose that once again. Page border. Top. Go to the top. Go to the top. Yes. Click that. Now select a color. Wait. Select an art that you want. Art. If you want to apply art, come down. Little bit. Yes, that option. Click on that arrow. Yes, click on that arrow. Choose an art that you want. Okay, click OK. Excellent. Thank you, Kalbi, for sharing the screen. Now I would like to call Aradhya.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I don't understand how to change the border.
Okay,
In
of which, okay, I want to show it once again?
mobile, ma'am.
Mobile. Okay, in mobile, we have not discussed about that. Okay, so Aradhya, for you, are you using phone, Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you share the screen. I will tell you. Those are using phone, for them, the border.
Ma'am, it's software. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Aradhya, listen to me carefully. Down, you can see an arrow. Come to that arrow. Press that arrow. Okay. Click on home. Click on home. Yes. Insert. Go with insert.
Ma'am, it's
Yes. Now come down. Okay. Now text box. Click on text box. Text box, not comment. Text box. Yes. You can resize this. Resize this. Yes. Make it little bit big. Drag the edge. Drag the edge. Not like that. Not like that. Click on that box once again. Click on that box. You can see a circle in every edge. Press that and drag that. Yes. Make it little bit big. Double click on that. Okay, now double click on that box. Okay, go with click on home once again. Insert. Down, come down. Come down. Click on shape. Yeah. Okay, if you just double click on the figure that you have inserted, double click on that, you will get an option there. Double click on the text box that you have inserted. What's that? Double click on that. Tap, double tap. No, not like that. Double tap on that.
ma'am, double tap means?
Okay, on the border, you just tap 2 times. Notice my, go back there near to shape, you can see one arrow. Press that. Near to the shapes. Double click on that figure once again. See on the left side, you can see one arrow. Click on that.
What should we do?
Okay, double click on that figure. Double click on that figure. Click on the screen. Okay, you just do one thing. Leave. Click on shape. Insert one shape. See, there is an option fill. Click on that. Click that arrow near to that fill. Choose a color. See, you can insert a shape inside that. You can also write. If you double click that text box also, you will get this option like that. If you want to change the border color, you will go with outline. Click on outline. If you want to change the border color, you have to click that. Okay. If you click on that arrow, you will get different colors option. So this is all about those who are using phone. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Wait. I told you no need to mention. Wait.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
I have a
Aradhya, for sharing
doubt.
the screen. I will call you.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes. What is your doubt?
In mobile, we can't change any art.
No option is that. There are limitations, my dear, when we are using phone. Okay. Yes. Now I would like to call Abidel. Yes.
Ma'am, it
Abdiel.
is not
Sorry,
Abdiel,
Abdiel.
it's
Yes.
Abdiel.
Share the screen. Others, those who are simply sitting, do the practical.
Ma'am,
Share.
I taken.
Okay, you took. Go with the,
Yeah.
okay, you just type a word. If you want to highlight that word, what you have to do? First, you have to select. Isn't it? Select that. Then highlighter is there. Highlighter is there. Third, near to that, yes. Choose a color. Excellent. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Adish is there. Adish
Mama, this
did. Okay. Adi Shankar is there. Adi Shankar.
can I?
Wait. Adi Shankar is there. No. Yeah. Raya. Share the screen.
Ma'am.
Share the screen.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah. Oh my God. What is this?
Ma'am, this is not Adi Shankar's.
It's okay. It's okay. I know. He's not there. Yes. Now you just show me how we can apply border, page border.
Am I doing late?
It's okay. I will teach you. Go to the paragraph group. Go to the paragraph group. Yes. Click that. Close this. Yes. Click that arrow. Down you can see borders and shading. Come down. Come down. Come down. 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 Yes. Now go to the page border at the top. You can at the top. Go to the top. You can see page border option. Yes. Okay. You can choose box or shadow 3D on the left side. You can see that. Press anything. Choose one. Okay, now, no, wait. If you want, you can choose art. Bottom, you can see art option. Bottom, come down. Down. On the left side. Left, yes. There you can see art option. No, left in the middle, yes. Choose that arrow. Choose one art that you want. Cake. I did it. No, you can choose any other. This is a copy, okay? Don't copy my art. Okay. Click OK. Okay, very good. Is that clear? Yeah, very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Now I would like to call Azra. Share the screen.
Ma'am,
Wait,
excuse me.
Casina,
Okay,
wait. Azra, share the screen. Are you there?
Yes.
Share the screen. All are there waiting for their chance and you got this golden opportunity. Yes. Do it fast. Yes. Now show me how we can add the border to this text. Yes. Okay. Choose a shadow or box or 3D. Choose one. Change the style. Change the color. Change the style. Change the color.
She is not using page.
No. I told her to just add the border for that text. Now change the color. She's right. She's doing the correct thing. Change the color. Top. Go a little bit top. Come down. Down. After that style, you can see the color option. Choose the color option. No. Listen to me, Azra. Color option is there. Little bit up. Little bit down. Little bit down. Come down. Yes. Choose that arrow. Very good. Choose a color. Okay. Now click OK. Excellent. Very good. Thank you, Azra. Yes. Now I would like to call. You can stop sharing the screen. So those are doing practical, clap for them. Okay. Next, I will. Yes, Mohammed Insan is raising his hand like this. Okay. You can share the screen. Next turn is for Casina. Okay. After this, Casina. Then Meha is also there. Abidil is there. Adish is there. Sarah is there. Amrin is there. Veda is there. Veda. Yes, Mohammed Insan.
Yes, ma'am.
Seba is there. She's also waiting there. Okay. Wait, Rayan is there. Ishan is there. Yeah. Mohammed. Share the screen first. Otherwise, your friends are waiting. I'll give this opportunity for them. Dev is there. Adra is also waiting. Right, Adra? Mohammed, share the Benedict is also there. It's not coming. Why? You don't. Anandita is also there. Okay. Joel is also there. What happened? You don't know how to share the screen? Jane is also there. Fida is there. Okay. We will go with Fida.
Ma'am, can I try?
Oh, okay. Okay. Mohammed. Yeah, try. After that, I will go with Fida. Then Kasina is there. I know that. Kasina, don't forget. I know that you are there. Dave, wait. Yeah. What happened? You have not downloaded Word?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
first you just do a trial. Okay. First you just do a trial. So for that time being, I'm just calling. Okay, Kasina. First Kasina. After that Fida. Kasina. Otherwise, Kasina will be angry. For a long time, she is waiting for a chance. Yes, Kasina.
Ma'am, I have one picture, then I will share my screen.
Okay.
I draw it in.
You want to show us that picture. For that, you are eagerly waiting, huh?
No, I also wanted to share the screen.
Yeah, do it. Okay, okay. The drawing that you wait, let me spotlight it. Okay, very good, very good. Now share the screen. See, you are wasting others' time. Yes, they are also waiting for their chance.
Ma'am, there is options like my Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft
Screen,
SharePoint.
screen. Go with screen. Amreen, wait. Share the screen. Kasina. Okay, just do. Okay. Take Word. Go back.
How to go back?
You don't know how to share the screen? Okay. Those who are using phone, please help Kasina to share the screen. Kasina, stop sharing the screen.
Swipe up.
It is navigation mode.
Okay. Guide her what to do.
Ma'am, there is one message like sharing board stacking live board to Zoom has stopped it due to you have stopped it screen sharing.
It's okay. And the phone, yes, who are familiar with this?
Ma'am, Adish.
Adish.
Ma'am,
Guide her.
Doing
Guide her.
like this.
Ma'am, there is two options. Go last and we will see the screen. Button.
Okay, Kasina. See, there is an option share screen. Try.
Can I try?
Try once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Try once again. Yeah. Do it fast. Others are waiting for the chance. Kasina.
Ma'am, I have shared my screen.
You are sharing. No, it is not showing. It is showing another message. Okay, Kasina, you just do one thing. After this class. But it is not correct. You just do one thing. Okay, after this class. Okay, night you just call me. We will see a trial. Okay, Kasina. Okay, let me call the other one. Fida is there. Fida.
Please message me.
Okay, you just message me. Okay, Dave, share the screen. After that, Bendik.
Ma'am,
Fida ready?
Nandita,
Fida ready?
Ma'am, only 1 minute left.
1 minute.
The screen. Can you see like this?
Okay, you are sharing like this. Okay, wait. Yes. I can see. Yes.
It's already time up.
I know. Yes, do it fast. Fida, type. Yeah, type your name. Or you just show me how to add page border. Very good. Down. Excellent. Page border option at the top. Go to the top. Yes. Now take, if you want, you can add art. Yes. Choose one. Yes. Okay. Now click OK. Excellent. Thank you.
Ma'am, time is up.
Time is up. I know that most of you are raising your hand. What to do? But you can do one thing. Will you obey? Yes, Meha?
Yeah.
After this class, will you do that? And you have to show. And you have to teach your parents also. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.